Hi everybody, this is Emily from the NetZoom team. You may have noticed while adding assets or service tickets to your NetZoom application that each one is automatically assigned a unique ID number. In this video, we'll explain how NetZoom generates ID numbers and how you can create your own custom ID templates that adhere to your existing asset naming conventions, standards, and practices. First, let's log into NetZoom. Enter your NetZoom application server URL in the web browser. Then enter your username and password. Let's navigate to the New Devices feature under the Inventory menu. Whenever a device is added into inventory and approved, it will automatically be assigned an asset ID. Here we can see an example of an unapproved device. As you can see, there is no asset ID assigned to it. But when we right-click and approve that device, the asset ID will automatically be created. Of course, if you enter a custom asset ID before approving the device, that asset ID will be used, provided that it is a unique asset ID. The asset ID is generated using the asset ID template. These can be altered from the Custom ID feature, available under Enterprise Configuration in the Administration menu. This feature is only available to enterprise users. The Custom ID feature allows you to create custom identification templates for your entities you add into NetZoom. By default, NetZoom has special identification templates for assets, item requests, models, plans, received items, or service request. Using this feature, you can create your own custom IDs or alter existing IDs to meet your organization's requirements. Let's alter our Asset ID template as an example. As you can see, this custom ID is named Asset ID. There's a start number here, which determines the first ID number that will be assigned to an entity, and the increment determines the amount each new number will increase. So in this example, this first number would be 100,001, and with an increment of 1, it would produce IDs such as 100,002, 100,003. You get the idea. All of these are read-only right now because this is a NetZoom ID and is already in use. Finally, the template field is where you can write the template for your custom ID. This template can utilize several variables but must contain the string $ID $, which will be replaced with the ID number. This string can appear anywhere in the template. For example, this template will create IDs such as AS-1, AS-23, AS-37, etc. Let's alter our asset ID template to include another string. We'll use $date $. When a new asset ID is created, it should include the day's date in place of this string. For a full list of available variables, check out our user manual at service.netzoom.com. Don't forget to save your ID by clicking the Save button. Now that we have our new asset ID template, let's see it in action. We'll navigate back to the Inventory menu and find another unapproved device. Once again, we'll notice that the asset ID is blank. Right-click and approve that device, and there you have it. The asset has been given an asset ID number, and as we can see, it includes the date of July 15th, 2019, the date of this recording. Custom IDs can also be associated with custom entities. Let's navigate to the Entities feature to take a look at that. Once again, this feature is only available to enterprise-level users. While you are creating a new entity, notice the Custom ID Template drop-down list. This drop-down list will list all custom ID templates you have created, along with NetZoom IDs. Simply select the ID you want to use for this entity. We'll go over creating a custom entity in more detail in a later video. That covers the basics of creating and using custom IDs in NetZoom. We recommend that you alter your identification numbers to match your company's standards. Please check out our other videos for more tips on how to use the NetZoom product. And if you're interested in trying out NetZoom for your own data center, visit netzoom.com to schedule a free demo.